Imagine driving down a quiet American street in 1949, chrome glistening under the sun, the deep rumble of an engine that feels alive, and every head turning to admire your car. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of pride, elegance, and innovation. This is the 1949 Buick, one of the most beautiful and powerful cars of its time. Stay with us till the end, because this classic masterpiece still hides stories most people have never heard. Welcome to At Car AUG 765, the home of timeless machines and forgotten legends. Here, we bring back the golden age of automobiles and the stories behind them. If you love vintage cars and classic engines that shaped history, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, so you never miss the ride through automotive history. Now let's step back into 1949, a year when America was rebuilding, dreaming bigger, and driving stronger. Buick had already earned its place as one of the top names in the car industry, but the 1949 Buick changed everything. It wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of confidence, luxury, and a new beginning after the war. The 1949 Buick introduced a bold and curvy design that instantly stood out. Its body lines were smooth and aerodynamic, marking a new era of styling. Buick's famous VentiPorts made their mark this year, those small chrome circles on the fenders that became a Buick trademark. They weren't just for show, they told everyone this was a powerful machine built for those who had made it in life. Under the hood, Buick gave the world something special, the Fireball straight-8 engine. Known for its smooth performance, this engine was a quiet powerhouse, built to glide effortlessly on highways. And with the Dynaflow automatic transmission, introduced around this time, driving became easier and more refined than ever before. Buick didn't want its owners to just drive, it wanted them to float. Inside, the 1949 Buick was pure comfort and class. The interior featured luxurious seating, beautifully crafted chrome accents, and a dashboard that made you feel like you were sitting in an airplane cockpit of the future. Every knob, every curve was designed with care and precision. Buick made sure that every moment spent inside felt like a first-class experience. This car wasn't built for racing, it was built for respect. When a 1949 Buick rolled into town, people noticed. It carried a presence, a quiet authority that only a true classic can command. The suspension was advanced for its time, giving a smooth, steady ride no matter where you drove. Families loved it for its reliability, and enthusiasts admired it for its engineering brilliance. Collectors today still treasure the 1949 Buick. Restored versions are often displayed at vintage car shows and auctions, where they remind everyone what true craftsmanship used to mean. The curves, the chrome, the sound, it all takes you back to a time when cars were built with soul and style, not just for speed. So, what made the 1949 Buick so unforgettable? It wasn't just the design or performance. It was the feeling it gave its driver, a sense of pride, comfort, and power that defined post-war America. This car became a symbol of progress, of hope, and of a nation ready to move forward. If you love stories like this, make sure to subscribe to At Car AUG 765. We bring you more than just facts, we bring you the emotion, the legacy, and the fire behind every classic car. Hit the like button, share this video with other car enthusiasts, and tell us in the comments which Buick model you'd love to see next. Until next time, keep your passion alive, keep the wheels turning, and remember, every classic car has a story worth telling.